Hello and thank you for your purchase. Let's get started. So the Canva link I sent you will take you to a page that looks like this. You may need to scroll down to see the purple template link. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit and click View Template. This is on a free Canva account. This may look a little bit differently depending on what sort of account you have or what kind of device you're on. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to edit, how to add audio, how to save and send through text messaging or through email and social media. You'll have to do them a little bit differently from each other. So I'll show you the best way to do both. So make sure not to skip that part. So down here on this lower bar, this thing that says pages, if you click it, it will toggle back and forth. Now you'll be in a different view where you can scroll up and down, and then you go back to pages again, and you'll have a different view where you'll have thumbnails, and you can click on those to go through them. When you're on this view, you can see the purple audio bar. So again, click the little pages icon to toggle between views. Now, also you can zoom in and out. So right for closer and left for further away. And I'm just going to preview the video while I edit it. So I'm going to this box and I'm double clicking, and I can highlight the text and I can type in something else like invited. And then I click off, and then I'm scrolling down to the next page. Whenever you hover over a text box, you'll see a red rectangle pop up. Just double click to edit the text. So if you accidentally move the text, you can recenter it by going to position and then going to center, and that helps center your text. Or as you move it around the page, you see there's this little line that shows up that also shows when it is aligned. When you go to the corner of the text box and click this little circle, you can make the text bigger or smaller. Also, if you go up here to this toolbar, it has a lot of different options. So I'm going to the font and look at through these fonts. Make sure that you're going to pick a font that is part of Canva free account, meaning that it doesn't have a little crown. Do you see the ones with the crown? Those are for Canva Pro accounts. So don't use that, otherwise you'll have to pay extra for them. Up here on the text menu box, there's also an option to change the text color. Over here, I'm changing the color to brown. And now I'm going to go back to pages to show you audio. So this purple bar is the audio bar. So now I'm going to go up to elements and click on elements, which is under templates. So click in this box and type in audio. And now click on audio and scroll down. Let's see. You see there's a lot of crowns. So you're not going to want to use those. So let's try the word legendary. So legendary music. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down to find a free one. Before I use this one, I need to delete the music I have. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to delete it. Then I'm going to go over here and click on legendary trap. It showed up. I'm clicking on this purple bar, and up here I can fade it in. And I can fade it out, and you'll see there's the delete button that I just used, and the volume as well. Okay, I'm going to delete that. Now let's add our own audio. So we're going to go to upload, then upload files, and then you're going to upload an MP3, and then it will show up here and you can drag it on. Okay, so let's go over to this hidden page right here. So it has that little eyeball, so it's hidden. So it's not going to show up on your invitation. But I really want you guys to have this information ready because it's very important. This page contains directions on how to share on social media or email or how to text message. You're going to want to do it a little differently. So most cell providers, they'll compress the videos sent through text. So that could reduce quality. We want you to have the best quality. So follow these steps for the best results. So I'll first show you how to send through text message. So you're going to go to share, and then you're going to go down to the public view link. The icon shows two little linked chains. So you'll click on the public view link and then create public view link and then copy public view link. And when you copy it, you're just going to copy and paste this URL into your text message. I'm going to just paste it into my browser so we can see it. Okay, and you can hit play. So on the left-hand side, that's the name of the file. So make sure you rename the file, and I'll show you how to do that a little later. So you'll notice I sped up this video a little bit. So go to the left-hand side and click X to close. And now let's rename our file. So go up to this blue and purple bar and you're going to double click up here, and then you can change the name up here. And there's another spot that you can change the name as well. So over to right under file, this is another spot where you can change the name. Now, if you want to preview it, go right next to share and click preview, and you'll have a preview of the video as well. This is not a live link. It's just for you to view. Okay, now let's get back to how to send it through email and social media. So for email and social media, you'll want to download it as an MP4. So you're going to go back up to the share button, click share, and then you're going to go down to download. Click on download. The icon for download has an arrow pointing downward on a line. For this section, just keep the settings as they are. Make sure it says MP4 video, and the pages, you'll see the hidden page is not part of it. Do not click that. And then go down to this purple download button, and then it will download the MP4 file onto your device. You can then attach this file to your email or upload it to social media. And again, if you run into any problems, please contact me on Crafty Bash by Ariel on my Etsy store by clicking this message button. I'm really happy to help.